Morning students, good morning students. Today we are going to start with the new chapter of the computer. For that, open your computer textbook, open to page number 15, chapter number 2, that is uses of a computer. Now students, you know what is uses of computer. Where do you use the computers? Do anybody remember where they use computers? Yes? Let's make me remind you, from where do we use the computers. Okay, computers are used in schools, homes, hospitals, banks, railway stations, airports, shops, space stations, offices, hotels and restaurants. Yes, in these many places the computer is used. Now why we are using the computer? Because it helps us to remember many things, like it maintains the records. It maintains the records means it has so many records, so that it can be maintained only by using the computer, because in books we can't maintain so many things. Okay, now you know why computer is usually used in all the public places or private places, we can say. Now you know computers are used in variety of ways. They are used for designing clothes, planning buildings and testing cars. They are also help in launching rockets and designing books and magazines. Yes, nowadays so many things are nowadays when generation to generation is developing, so many things are also invented for the computers. Now let's have a look, where do we use it more. Okay, now look over here. In school, why computer is used in school? Yes, to teach the students how to start the computer, how to use the inside features of it, like making timetable, creating notices and circulars. You work in the lab, now you type so many things. Teacher teaches you so many things in the library, like how to type the name, how to draw the pictures, insert the pictures. Then keep the in office, school office, I would say. It is kept for the fee records. Yes, in office also you will see the computers is very necessary, because it has the record of all the students. Now, helping in teaching. Helps in teaching means, children, you know, in our class we are having the smart board, and smart board is operated with the computer. Yes, you remember now how I used in class 1A. The smart boards are used for teaching so many things. Yes, then in library also keep track of books in the library. Yes, so many things are being noted in the library also, like which student have taken the book, on which day, which book he has taken. So many records are there in computer in school. Okay, now let's see, why do we need computer at our homes. Computers are used at our homes too. Now, why it is used? To listen to music. Yes, we need to listen the music also. Then watch cartoons. If mama is watching TV, where can you watch the TV? Where can you watch the cartoons? Yes, you can watch it in the computer also. Then you can play many games on it. Then you can do your homework. Like if teacher gives you any project or something, assignments, like, you can do it in your computer. Yes. Then with the help of email, like with the help of internet, you can email your files, you can send messages, you can send pictures to your friends, right? Yes, this is for the use of computer at our home. Okay, students?